Introducing Leah Drive. Transform your unstructured legal documents to AI records and intelligence at your fingertips easily and quickly. For too long, traditional systems of records have burdened legal teams with time-consuming, costly, and error-prone document management processes. Leah Drive eliminates these challenges, delivering unprecedented accuracy and speed in processing legal documents. With Leah Drive, organizations can now effortlessly ingest, migrate, and track all legal documents and obligations within minutes, not months. Leah Drive is purpose-built to digitalize legal documents and transform unstructured documents to sources of intelligence. This GenAI-powered solution transforms document handling by making intelligence instantly accessible and actionable across the enterprise, bringing a new level of intelligence and efficiency to legal operations. Let's start with Leah Drive onboarding. To access Leah modules, click on the settings icon at the bottom of the left navigation bar. On the Leah Modules section, click the Leah Drive tab to view the list of custom models for Leah Drive. Next, click the Add Model button at the top of the page. Begin by adding a name and description to your new Drive repository. By configuring help text, you can effectively guide end users on how Leah is set up to assist them, or clarify the repository's purpose. Additionally, you have the option to configure settings such as Leah's response language, with multiple out-of-the-box options available, including German, Spanish, Japanese, and Arabic, to name just a few. While Leah extracts document content in its native language, she will also summarize the extraction and engage with users in the configured language. Lastly, users can select an icon to represent their repository, ensuring easy selection from the side navigation in Drive. Next, users will choose between dynamic extraction or creating a custom model. With our default out-of-the-box dynamic extraction, Leah delivers a dynamic 360-degree analysis for every document. Leveraging advanced AI capabilities, it automatically parses and extracts, normalizes and classifies, and aggregates critical information, creating visual snapshots that highlight essential details such as parties, dates, clauses, and subclauses. For users with a targeted use case or special projects, Leah offers custom model extraction, allowing them to define specific data points tailored to their needs. In this example, we will be using dynamic extraction. Now, select the generative AI models that will power Leah. In this example, select Starliner as the primary model. Next, we will select Vision as the summary model to power the data summarization and executive summary. In this example, we will upload 100 documents by simply dragging and dropping them directly into Leah. Leah is going to analyze these contracts, upload them, dynamically extract the information, aggregate it, and present it to the user. As Leah is working through these contracts, let's review the type of contracts Leah is working on. The first document is in English and includes information explicitly stored in tables. For example, there are explicitly mentioned service-level objective timeframes within this table, which the supplier must meet when resolving issues. You can see that this information is not mentioned in the severity definitions above. Another example is a German scanned contract, which you can see is an image by the handwritten note at the top, and we will be able to search across this contract and gather information through Leah. Finally, we have a contract in Arabic, showcasing how extensive Leah can be when understanding complex languages and highlighting her ability to read and understand foreign special characters within the text provided. Going back to Leah, we can see that Leah keeps users up to date and informed on what she has processed so far, what she has completed, and what has failed. In the instance a contract has failed, the user can action on the contract from this view. While Leah is processing, we can minimize the file upload progress and continue working. We can go to Leah Drive from the side navigation and see the new repository that was created and begin working with the files which have completed processing. Once a repository is selected, the page will load the files pertaining to the category. Users can find files, view individual files, and ask Leah questions regarding their documents within the category. We can easily see which contracts have already been completed and which ones are currently being processed from our previous upload. The files are organized in a table with the following columns: name, uploaded date, and an action column, which allows us to access the snapshot, download the document, or delete the document. Directly from this repository, users can perform the following actions: search and view, report and analyze, connect to other Leah Intelligence applications, and upload files. Users can upload up to 500 files at a time, 20 megabytes each. Let's dive into the document snapshot. Let's take a look at our Arabic Master Service Agreement first. For each document, Leah creates a snapshot and provides insights such as party details and key terms that are extracted from the document. Leah can provide further details by putting together an executive summary, and within the summary, highlight the crucial points and relevant details, saving users time and reducing the cognitive load by providing relevant information. The key legal obligations section includes all the key terms and obligations found within the document. You can view the key obligations that Leah has dynamically extracted and reviewed line by line. She has parsed all the data to clauses and subclauses and classifies and synthesizes the information, allowing users to quickly review through the data. You can easily filter through key data and search for specific extractions. Under Key Obligations, the clause is extracted in the language of the document, but the summary is in the language that I have configured, as you can see here. To export the information, simply click on the Export button at the top of your extractions. Now let's take a look at our English MSA with tabular information. Leah has similarly extracted and normalized all of the information for this document, including the party details and executive summary. She also extracts important dates and key clauses. Leah has even automatically categorized this document as active based on the effective date and expiration dates. When viewing extracted information, Leah also provides a document preview, allowing you to preview the extracted text within the context of the surrounding document. To view extractions in the document, go to the Key Legal Obligations table and click the Preview Document icon next to an extraction. A panel will slide out from the right side of the page with the extractions highlighted in the document, giving the user precise context surrounding their extracted text. Now, let's ask Leah questions regarding the contract. Click on Ask Leah at the bottom right of the page, and a panel will slide out from the right side of the page. If the help guide is in the way, simply drag it to a newly preferred location. We can start by asking Leah, what are the SLA timelines required for each severity level? Leah will evaluate based on the document details and provide us with her answer. In this example, Leah was able to successfully extract the information from the SLA table found in this document. For organizations leveraging the Ask Leah feature, Leah Drive goes beyond standard document review, offering users on-demand, tailored insights across documents on desired topics. Here, in another example, we are asking Leah, what are the key obligations and responsibilities outlined for each party in this contract? Users can ask Leah targeted questions within specific documents or at the repository level, facilitating broader inquiries on topics such as trend analysis, key content, favorability assessments, and actionable recommendations. This functionality transforms Leah Drive into an interactive command center, streamlining decision-making across the legal landscape. Leah will evaluate the user's query based on the information found within the document and provide us with her answer and her source reasoning, such as the customer and supplier obligations, and where in the contract each can be found. I can ask the question in English, or I can select the language that I feel the most comfortable with, allowing users to interact in their preferred language and on documents that may not be in their native language. Leah's 360-degree dynamic data analysis. In addition to offering complex analysis and driving conclusions, sometimes customers want to extract key data points from contracts. Leah can assist with parsing a contract and provide key data. Leah is a powerful tool for extracting valuable data from documents with high precision. Leah employs advanced techniques to extract essential details such as clauses, dates, parties involved, and many other critical details and information, eliminating the need for manual data extraction and saving time and effort. She can also easily filter, sort, and output the extracted information, helping users efficiently analyze and utilize the needed data. Simply click on Data Analysis at the top of your repository, and a window opens allowing the user to search and filter for the information they are looking for. Select the key data points to filter through the documents. In this example, we will be able to search for governing law, payment terms, and force majeure. Once the key data points have been finalized, click on the Submit button. Leah will then immediately return all the documents with the selected key data points. The users can view the results, which are grouped by each contract and on the information found. They can view the key data, the extraction, and the summary. They can also sort and filter the data and save the results by clicking on Export Results at the end of their extraction. Very quickly, Leah helps me to visualize the information. I can go into each individual extraction and directly preview the extraction within the document, highlighting the context within the document itself. For contracts in foreign languages, Leah extracts the details in the native language of the document, but provides a summary in the language of the drive configured. To return to Leah Drive, simply click on the Back button. Now let's go to Ask Leah from the repository. To access Ask Leah, simply click on the Ask Leah tile at the top of the repository. Ask Leah takes a topic-based approach to answering questions, allowing users to isolate the topics they have questions about, and Leah to provide deep and comprehensive results. Users can initiate their conversation with Ask Leah by choosing one or more topics to explore, then asking Leah to find information, analyze the information and trends, and even provide recommendations based on her findings. I will select Vision for my model and Governing Law as my topic for this example. Next, ask Leah a question pertaining to the selected topics. For example, we are asking Leah, what is the most common governing law across my contracts? Leah will analyze the information and provide us with what is the most common governing law across the contracts with a definitive answer and source reasoning. Here, Leah has found that the most common governing law across the contracts is the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Users can also ask a follow-up question, either using the predictive intelligence offered by Leah's proposed follow-up questions or by asking your own, and Leah will again analyze the information to provide an in-depth response. For example, we can ask Leah, what is the breakout of contracts by governing law? And Leah will not only return the definitive answer, but she also provides her source reasoning on how she calculated this response. Now let's change the topic to entire agreement. We can now ask Leah which contracts are between parties similar to ABD Inc. and contract. Leah will then return contracts between ABC Inc. and Contract Pod AI, showing that Leah can understand typos and the intention of the user while still providing the right answer. This showcases the power of Leah not only for fuzzy or proximity searches, but also for similarity or searches around intent. For users with Ask Leah enabled, Leah Drive offers powerful on-demand insights across documents. Users can engage Leah to ask questions at the Leah Drive level, enabling topic-focused inquiries on broader legal themes. With options to explore trends, key content, favorability, or to receive actionable clause recommendations, Ask Leah provides tailored intelligence, making it easy to extract critical insights and streamline legal decision-making across your organization. Now let's talk about Leah's intelligence-connected application suite. Leah Drive integrates seamlessly with the entire Leah Intelligence Suite, allowing users to connect additional applications within their environment for an enhanced, unified workflow. Applications such as Leah Extract and Leah Discovery integrate with Leah Drive, creating a connected end-to-end solution for comprehensive legal intelligence. This integrated ecosystem enables legal teams to centralize their workflows, gaining unparalleled insights and control over their legal data. This integration delivers ultimate intelligence, providing advanced insights and enhanced capabilities for a seamless user experience. First, let's explore Leah Extract by clicking on the Extract tile. For example, a user might have a DORA risk register use case, which requires a tailored extraction and output. When you click on the tile, a pop-up will appear, allowing the user to create a new project or add to an existing one. You can then select the documents you want to analyze and click on Connect. Once the user clicks Connect, they will be redirected to their new or existing project. Using Leah Intelligence, users can select on the DORA register tile to extract the risk register contents for DORA compliance review. Leah will extract the required details from each document, placing it in the required format for submission. All the user needs to do is simply export and send. Next, let's look at Leah Intelligence Connect with Discovery. Perhaps you want to analyze documents for compliance or vendor analysis, which require curated discovery models for consistent and accurate analysis. For example, in the relatively new European compliance regulation, DORA, which we showed in Leah Extract, might also require specific analysis for compliance, risk, and remediation recommendations. When the user clicks Connect, they will be redirected to their new or existing project. In this example, let's click on DORA Compliance Overview. Leah will provide a definitive answer of what contracts are compliant or non-compliant with the new DORA regulations, what steps are required for remediation, and provide her source reasoning. Finally, users can also access Leah Intelligence Connect by clicking the snapshot icon for a specific document from the Drive page. So, if they have a specific document that they wish to add to an existing project, or want to do an analysis alone on, they can simply click on the Actions button in the right corner of the contract snapshot and select an intelligence option from the drop-down. That concludes today's demonstration. I hope this has helped illustrate the powers of Leah Drive and highlighted the new generation of contract intelligence. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out, and thank you for your time.
This demo was brought to you with the assistance of Leah and generative AI. Thank you for listening.